Okay guys, so these are the Commodore Hotel parking garage elevators in West Durbanville, South Africa. And these are also Mitsubishi electric. Mirror, hi guys. Now let's go down to P1. Door close button works. That motor is epic. That's your Mitsubishi logo.
Parking.
Love the voice on it. Now you're here at P1. This is a double set, unlike the Portswood Hotel next door. Now we're gonna go back up to 0, do our cab view. Here's the ceiling, floor indicator, mirror, hi guys. The fixtures, door open close alarm. That would be the emergency phone button. Button went out. Now we're gonna take one more ride down. And yeah, this elevator on the outside is not in the best of shape. There are some minor scratches on the wall. Yeah, 630 kilograms to pounds.
First floor parking.
Yep. We're here at P1. Now we're gonna go back up to 0 and we'll end the video.
Ground floor.
Or ground floor. We are at 0. There it goes. And that will be it. Peace.